Okay, so see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull in this file, which is my severance bonus file, which is the points that I shot. Okay.
Yeah.
So I just have that open for demonstration purposes. I'm going to come up here on QGIS and I'm going to add a layer.
Okay.
Text delimited
Yep.
text layer. Okay. I'll pull that box over here. So we're going to hit this little thing up here. It's going to open this, and then I'm going to click severance bonus. Click OK. So it's a CVS or CSV. I'm going to come down here. I've got my long lat, and then over here in Z field, I'm going to put in height at ground. Very important, height at ground. And then right here, I have my datum.
Okay.
Right now, it is WGS 84, which is what we want. Okay. We're going to add that. Okay. We're going to close that. And then as you can see, my points are here.
Yep.
2 points. All right. So now I need some reference for you. So I'm going to bring Bing down here. And then I'm going to move this to the top. So now my points are where they're supposed to be. Got it?
Yep.
I'm
That's right.
going to change those colors. Oh. Go. So now they're red, so they show up a little better. All right, so now at this point, we're gonna go ahead and right click, open this menu. We're gonna come down here and we're gonna export. And then we're gonna save feature as. Okay, bring this over here. So in here, we want to insert the file name that we want to save it as. So we're going to call this test 31. Just leave it there. And you'll see why it's 31 in a minute. And we're going to put the space where we're going to save it. Downloads. Because I've got all these other tests. I've got 1, I've got 2, and now we're into the 3. So we're going to save that. Now, we want to change this to Colorado North. So EPSG 6430 NAT 83 2011. Okay.
Yep.
And then we want to come down here in geometry. We're going to change this to AS underscore XYZ.
Okay.
And we're going to hit OK. Now, we're going to do this one more time on this one. Export. Save feature as. It's telling me it's an invalid projection. So we're going to do test 32. We're going to change the projection down to 6430. We're good there. Again, geometry is AS underscore XYZ. Make sure this is going into the right place, which it's not. So we need to change that. And then we're going to save it. And then we're going to hit OK. Now we've got 31 and we've got 32. So let's open those up and see how they differ from. So this is 31. So I guess I didn't need to do it twice. Okay. So now if we look at the original file here, we're just going to look at these first 3 columns, X, Y, and Z.
Yeah.
They're not here on the original file, severance bonus. They're not here. So what we've done is we've added the X, Y, and Z, which is what we need to do. And if you look, there's decimals. All right, so now, because this is a test file and I don't care about it because I don't want to I don't want to screw with this, I'm just going to go ahead and select everything else and delete it. All right. Now, unfortunately, I can't edit that because that's open in QGIS. I'm not going to worry about that for a minute. Because I can close out QGIS right now. So you see, we still got our little points there. I'm going to close QGIS and discard that. And now I should be able to save this. Okay. So downloads. We'll call this bonus. Save that. Now I should be able to, there we go. Save that. Beautiful. That's saved. All right, so we can close that out. We can close that out. We're gonna open PIX4D. Cancel. We're gonna come over here. Now, I just started this before the call, so I haven't done anything yet on here. So we're at this point. We want to open up our GCP manager. So you would do this after you do step 1 is complete. Okay. I'm putting it here. It's not going to make any difference because I don't have any GCPs to select in photos at this point. Because if I move if I zoom down in, you see that there's no GCPs. Looks like we might have missed some coverage there. That's all right. The overlap should get it. I think we'll be fine. All right, so we're going to put our GCPs in here. We're going to hit this. We're going to import GCPs. We're going to browse. I don't need that. Let's go here. Downloads 31. Open. Okay, so I've got this thing here. So by looking at this, you can see that I've got a problem. I don't have the name. So I need to go back into that file and change or add a name column. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, what is that popping up? I don't need teams. Go away, teams. We're going to open this back up. There it is. And then we're also going to open up this one. Open, there it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, copy it. Come over here, insert copied cells. So there, now, and I'm in test 31, and go ahead and remove this. Oh, I didn't, yeah, I did an extra step there. That's all right. Why didn't you delete? There we go. I'm going to save that. We're going to try that again. Import, browse, 31. Okay. Yay. And if you look, okay, there's your points.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So easy as that. Easy, clear as mud.